Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of beginner-friendly woodcraft project ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating big, genre-friendly wooden furniture crafts project ideas offers a multitude of advantages that resonate deeply with both artisans and consumers, particularly in today's diverse and inclusive market. One of the most significant benefits of crafting genre-friendly furniture is the ability to cater to a wide range of aesthetic preferences and functional needs, making these pieces appealing to various demographics. As modern living spaces become increasingly personalized, consumers seek out furniture that reflects their unique styles while serving practical purposes. By designing pieces that embrace different genres, be it rustic, contemporary, minimalist, or eclectic, artisans can tap into a broad market that values individuality and expression. This versatility not only enhances the potential customer base, but also allows artisans to showcase their creativity and skill in melding different styles into cohesive designs. Moreover, the process of creating genre-friendly wooden furniture fosters innovation and experimentation. Artisans are encouraged to explore various techniques, materials, and finishes, leading to the development of unique and captivating pieces. This creative freedom can result in furniture that blends traditional craftsmanship with contemporary design elements, creating items that stand out in a crowded market. For instance, a bench that combines sleek modern lines with rustic reclaimed wood can appeal to both urban dwellers and those who appreciate farmhouse aesthetics. This fusion of styles can spark inspiration and lead to the creation of new trends, thereby positioning artisans at the forefront of the evolving furniture landscape. Another advantage of crafting big genre-friendly furniture is the potential for increased financial success. As artisans create pieces that resonate with a diverse audience, they can effectively broaden their market reach and boost sales. The ability to offer customizable options further enhances this potential, as consumers may be willing to pay a premium for furniture that aligns with their personal tastes. Artisans can also leverage social media platforms and online marketplaces to showcase their genre-friendly designs, attracting customers who prioritize unique, handcrafted items over mass-produced alternatives. This accessibility to a wider audience not only enhances profitability, but also allows artisans to establish a loyal customer base that appreciates the individuality and craftsmanship behind each piece. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The sustainability aspect of creating genre-friendly wooden furniture is also noteworthy. In an era where consumers are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact, the demand for eco-friendly products continues to rise. By utilizing reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials, artisans can create furniture that not only appeals to diverse tastes, but also aligns with environmentally responsible practices. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who prioritize ethical consumption, making them more likely to choose genre-friendly pieces that reflect their values. Additionally, the durability of wooden furniture means that these items can stand the test of time, reducing the need for frequent replacements and further minimizing waste. Furthermore, crafting genre-friendly wooden furniture allows artisans to engage with their communities in meaningful ways. By participating in local craft fairs, workshops, and events, artisans can showcase their designs while connecting with potential customers. This interaction creates an opportunity for artisans to share their creative process, gather feedback, and educate consumers about the benefits of handmade furniture. The sense of community that develops through these interactions fosters collaboration and idea exchange, enriching the overall crafting experience and encouraging artisans to continue pushing the boundaries of their creativity. The emotional connection that genre-friendly furniture can foster is another significant advantage. As artisans create pieces that resonate with a wide audience, they also create opportunities for meaningful interactions within homes. Furniture often serves as a backdrop for shared experiences, family gatherings, celebrations, and everyday moments, and crafting pieces that reflect diverse styles allows artisans to contribute to these memories. For instance, a dining table designed to suit both modern and traditional aesthetics can become the focal point of family dinners, creating a sense of belonging and togetherness. This emotional connection enhances the value of the furniture, making it more than just a functional item, but rather a cherished part of the home. Moreover, the design flexibility associated with genre-friendly furniture encourages artisans to explore various styles and cultural influences. By drawing inspiration from different genres, artisans can create pieces that celebrate diversity and promote inclusivity. This exploration of style can lead to innovative designs that reflect a rich tapestry of cultural influences, appealing to consumers who appreciate the stories behind their furniture. As artisans weave these narratives into their creations, they contribute to a broader conversation about the importance of representation and diversity in design, fostering a sense of connection with consumers who value these principles. The ability to adapt to changing trends is another advantage of crafting genre-friendly furniture. As consumer preferences evolve, artisans who embrace versatility in their designs can quickly pivot to meet new demands. This adaptability not only keeps artisans relevant in a competitive market, but also encourages them to stay informed about emerging trends and styles. By continually refining their craft and experimenting with genre-blending designs, artisans can ensure that their offerings remain fresh and appealing to consumers who are always on the lookout for the next big trend. Finally, the joy of sharing finished genre-friendly wooden furniture with others cannot be overstated. Whether through social media, local markets, or personal connections, the sense of pride that comes from showcasing one's creations fosters a deeper connection between artisans and their audience. Seeing others appreciate and enjoy the fruits of their labor not only reinforces the artisan's motivation to continue creating, but also highlights the communal aspect of crafting. As artisans share their designs and the stories behind them, they contribute to a larger movement that values creativity, craftsmanship, and the importance of individuality in modern living spaces. In the advantages of creating big genre-friendly wooden furniture crafts, project ideas are numerous and impactful. From maximizing market reach and fostering creativity to promoting sustainability and emotional connections, the benefits extend far beyond the crafting process itself. As artisans embrace the challenge of designing versatile pieces that cater to diverse tastes and preferences, they contribute to a broader movement that values functionality, individuality, and responsible consumption. The journey of creating genre-friendly furniture is not just about crafting functional items. It is about enriching the lives of those who use them, celebrating diversity, and leaving a lasting legacy in the world of design and craftsmanship. Ultimately, the joy of creating furniture that resonates with a wide audience while reflecting personal style is a timeless pursuit that continues to inspire and connect people across generations. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for beginner-friendly wooden craft projects ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.